we are going to talk about the digestive system. Ang digestive system, meron siyang 6 steps. Meron siyang ingestion, proportion, digestion, absorption, and defecation. Ang defecation. Okay. Ang ingestion, it means yun yung kinakain natin. So, for example, the food, you're ingesting the food. For example, nachos or siomai. Yan yung ini-ingest natin. We're eating it. Yung proportion naman, siya yung nandito na siya sa throat natin. So, this is our pharynx. This one is our pharynx. Here, eating pharynx. And then, this one is the esophagus. Yung esophagus, meron tayong tinatawag na peristalsis. Yung peristalsis, siya yung involuntarily na binababa natin yung food into the stomach. So, for example, kumain ka ng siomai, tapos yung siomai nandito, bumababa siya unti-unti, which is called the peristalsis. Hindi natin siya makokontrol, meaning involuntary siya. Meaning, autopilot lang siya in our body. So, yun yung peristalsis. Next is what we're going to go is digestion. Common sense naman yan. Dinadigest natin yung food na kinukuha natin. And the next is absorption. Yung absorption, nangyayari siya sa small intestine natin. So, we have 3 parts ng small intestine actually. Ang first, for example, ito yung stomach. Pagkatapos ng stomach, mapupunta siya sa small intestine. Ito yung small intestine, meron siyang 3 parts. So, the first part of the small intestine is duodenum. The first part is duodenum. Yung duodenum, siya yung kumukuha or kinukuha niya lahat ng nakukuha niyang food na na-digest from the stomach. From the stomach, from the liver, kung yung mga kinukuha niyang bile, napupunta siya dito. Basically, dito sa duodenum, siya yung nag-prepare before absorption. So, pinaprepare niya yung mga materials. The next part is this one, sa baba, is yung jejunum. Yung jejunum, siya naman yung really nag-a-absorb ng mga kung anong pinrepare ng duodenum. So, kung si stomach, siya yung nag-breakdown ng mga things, yung mga pinagkakain natin, si duodenum, siya yung nag-prepare para before i-absorb ni jejunum. So, si jejunum ina-absorb yung mga nutrients, yung mga kailangan nating i-absorb, and yung mga healthy things na pwede nating i-absorb. The next part is, the third part of the small intestine is yung ileum. Yung ileum naman, siya yung nag-a-absorb ng mga hindi kayang i-absorb ni jejunum. So, si ileum, ang ina-absorb niya specifically is yung vitamin B12, and yung bile salts. Na mga hindi kailangan or hindi kaya i-absorb ni jejunum, kinukuha or ina-absorb ni ileum. So, the next part naman is defecation. Yung defecation means ginagawa na natin siyang feces. So, yung defecation, it means yung mga all of the foods that we ate, yung mga hindi na natin kailangan, ginagawa na natin siyang feces or stool. So, mostly, nangyayari yung defecation sa large intestine. So, we have 3 parts ng small intestine, right? yung 3 is, first is duodenum, second is jejunum, and then finally we have ileum. Pagtapos ng ileum, mapupunta na tayo sa large intestine. Yung large intestine, meron siyang many parts. So, yung many parts ng large intestine, we're going to start with the cecum. Yung cecum, siya yung pagkatapos ng ileum. So, ito yung cecum. Next is yung ascending colon. This one is the ascending colon. So, this part, ascending colon. This part naman yung cecum. So, this is the small intestine, right? Yun yung small intestine. Ito yung cecum. And then, ito yung ascending colon. Next is this one. This is the transverse colon. And then, yung descending colon. Meron din tayong descending colon. And finally, we have the anus or yung rectum. This is the rectum, this is the anus. So, mostly sa defecation, ang ginagawa niya is nag-a-absorb na ng tubig. Ina-absorb na niya yung water para maging matigas na yung stool or yung feces, and fin-form na niya into this color of brown or kung ano ba naman pinagkakain nyo. Nagiging ganun na siya. So, basically, yun yung defecation. Next, we're going to talk about the parts of the digestive system. So, meron tayong tinatawag na alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Pwede din siyang tawagin as gastrointestinal tract. So, yung gastrointestinal tract, meron siyang 6 parts. So, yung 6 parts na yon is firstly mouth. Diyan tayo nag-i-ingest. Nag-i-ingest ng mga food na kailangan. So, diyan nangyayari yung ingestion. Next is yung pharynx at saka yung esophagus. Diyan natin nalalagay or pumupunta yung mga pagkain into the stomach. So, these two is the way, pababa. And mostly, sa esophagus siya nangyayari yung tinatawag nating peristalsis. And then, meron tayong stomach. So, yung stomach, more so on the breaking down of things, which is digestion. So, sa stomach tayo, dyan sa digestion, and then absorption, nangyayari siya sa small intestine. Sa small intestine yung absorption, and finally, yung defecation, nangyayari sa large intestine. Large intestine is the defecation. There we go. So, this is what we call the digestive system. This is my first video, and whatever happens, I'm still gonna upload it. Guys, it's trash. Even though it's trash, and I know it's trash, we'll improve either way. Yun yung goal. So, thank you for watching the digestive system, and I'm also going to teach more subjects, mostly on the nursing side of things. Kasi the best way to learn is to teach. And I'm really good at teaching. I'm being complimented now. I'm really good at teaching. So, let's master this skill more and teach you guys. how to learn these things. So thank you for watching. We'll see you again next video. Next is diffication. So diffication, ooh, it's hard. Paano mag-array is yung large intestine. So if you remove this all first, oh my gosh, this is a studious task. I need to learn this application. Next is defecation. Yung defecation, next is defecation. Yung defecation, it means that, what the? Next